Yeah, check it. Yeah, check it. Yeah, cause feel me? Yeah, check it. Yeah, check it. Might text 1212.
This nigga start wiping the windshield. Wipe the windshield, wipe the windshield.
Hey yo,
Get money.
real talk. I slay niggas. I kill niggas that don't love it. Nigga, you wanna get it back. Bam! Yeah. Yeah, cause I'm single. Yeah, I'm single. Tonight I'm single. I'm single. I ain't tripping on nothing. I'm sipping on something. And Kevin about to give me a piece of his chicken wing cause I'm single. I'm single. I'm dead serious. Like, give me a bite.
What do you think, dog? Hey,
Can I
dog.
get a bite? Can I get a bite, best friend?
Come on, with your butt in the camera.
This is what you call big booty right here. You feel me?
Oh,
This
this
is
is
called
good.
big booty right here. You feel straight from Connecticut. You feel me?
Rappin.
That's how we do it. You feel me?
This chicken tastes good.
You fat. Oh my gosh. Fat.
Tastes like good.
Hope y'all be doodling on yourselves tonight.
Nay noodles. Hey yo, let's go out to all my broke niggas. If you ain't getting money, you ain't getting nothing. If you ain't getting chicken wings, you ain't getting nothing. You hungry, you thirsty niggas. Go get you a Mountain Dew or Pepsi or something. Cause we ain't here. We ain't here. Check me out. Sauce on my face. Cause I'm saucy right now. Feel me? Gotta have to get it poppin'.
I just wanna see how you eat Hennessy wings, yo. You probably be dead.
Hennessy wings. Remy wings. Ciroc wings. Nouveau wings.
Ew, that probably tastes nasty. Noodles the shit.
Patron wings.
Yes.
J wings. Hypnotic wings. Remy wings. Did I say that already?
Yes.
Oh. Well, that is the end of our show. I love you, Whitney.